Oh, shoot.
Knee deep.
Whoa. It's not even a look. Whoa.
Everybody, welcome back to the video. We're going to see if I can find my lost Leatherman and do a trail catch him hook hopefully at the end, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But for now, we'll hop right into it.
It is lower over here. This water was up to here before. Shoot. It's a lot lower. Oh, shoot.
Knee deep.
That was just a deep spot. That tree was the last spot I had it. Or I remember having it anyway. Whoa! I think if I lost it, it's somewhere here. Sure doesn't seem like there's anything in here. What was that? And that's not including the night though. Oh, shoot, oh, shoot. You serious? Got him.
You got one?
Yeah. Serious. Yep. Oh. Giant. That thing was huge. Hold on. They're small too, though.
Into the water? Yeah.
There. Yep, no. Oh yeah. No! Are we serious? No! That was a nice one too. No. Got him. No. I'm snagged on a tree. Oh, I got it. Oh, there he goes. They're all little, what the heck? Whoa, it's not even an orphan. There we go. Alright guys, we're back. Got those fish cleaned. We'll go ahead and cook them for supper tonight. But no luck in finding that Leatherman whatsoever. So yeah, this might be a short video. Not too sure. But we'll see when we go through, edit everything, and post it. We are going to go into some more detail of cooking the trout, so that will be nice, but yeah. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do, rinse those fish. Alright guys, we're going to work our way up from small up to the biggest one. Here's this little guy. Alright, there we go. First one all cleaned. Beautiful meat. Alright, so it's kind of hard to choose the biggest one here now. But we decided to go with this way. They changed colors in the cooler a little bit. It's kind of weird. But, yeah. All cleaned. I believe this was actually the female. There we go. Alright, there we go. Number 2. Alright, here's number 2 or 3. There we go. And here's the last one, number 4. Alright guys, I just saw there's some bones poking through right there. Just kind of a little bit too close. Alrighty guys, there is fish number 4. Alrighty, and there we go, there's our 4 trout. Our plan is to eat 2 tonight, eat 2, I don't know, save it for a few days, so. Alright guys, we're gonna put them in a bag, and see you guys in a couple hours when we go to cook them. There's trout number 1. We're in the bag. These are the ones we're gonna cook for supper tonight. So, yeah, there's one. And then the smaller one. Put them both in the same bag because we're gonna eat them both for supper too. So, but yeah, there we go. Alrighty guys, trout number 3. These 2 are a bit bigger. Not as big as that last one that we put in the bag, but still really nice. The last one. Boom. You got some weird discoloration there coming home. It's kind of fascinating, but yeah. There we go. Those trout in the freezer for whenever we eat these 2. See you guys when we cook those trout next.
Set that temperature down.
Going in.
Don't matter, it'll heat up quick. Well, I have that. Well, I have fish coating.
Yes? Yeah. What? Oh, it's perfect golden brown. That's like a marshmallow toast. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
It's not as filthy as it.
No, it's not.
This is like hard to tell. Raise your hand right there. Cheers. Best trout. So good. Cheers. Okay. Alrighty guys, that trout was very, very good. Best trout I've had in a very long time. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
If you like this video, make sure to check out the Alberta Outdoorsman YouTube channel, where we create tons of videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.